Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 26th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Christine Brennan. In our top news story, Gilead Sciences profits fell to $3.5 billion in the second quarter, compared with $4.5 billion in a year-ago period. Meanwhile, product sales decreased by 6% to $7.65 billion, below analyst estimates of $7.77 billion. In other news, shares in Tokai Pharmaceuticals fell as much as 76% after the company announced that it will discontinue the late-stage ARMOR-3 SV trial of galeterone in treatment-naive patients with metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer whose tumors express ARV7. The trial's independent data monitoring committee determined that the ARMOR-3 SV would likely not meet its primary endpoint of showing improvement in radiographic progression-free survival for galeterone versus Astellas and Medivation's Xtandi in this patient population. And finally, Eli Lilly reported that profit rose to $747.7 million during the second quarter from $600.8 million in a year-ago period. Sales gained 9% to $5.4 billion, beating forecasts of about $5.2 billion, driven by new pharmaceutical products including Trulicity and Cyramza. CEO John Lechleiter remarked that Eli Lilly is in the midst of one of the most productive periods of new product launches in our history, with new medicines making a substantial contribution to our revenue growth for the first half of the year. The chief executive further said, "We've made great progress building an R&D engine that has the potential to launch 20 new products in 10 years, beginning in 2014 and extending through 2023. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.